And welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, Yo podcast was all a planned work. Yo podcast is a planned work. They say Yo when he come out years back to drag me Edochie. Say me Edochie do Bobby. Me Edochie go do stomach kidney cornea. Go flatten her tummy. I be not be social media here with them when they talk am. They say Yo automatically is saying I cannot come out and say anything bad about me Edochie. Is it not strange? The same me Edochie, they say Yo that wish me Edochie so much bad that he have to mock this woman even at the RIP of her son. This man not pity this woman when he lost her son. The worst pain on earth is when somebody lost a child. There are other ways you can console. This man did not respect that pain, Sime Edochie. Instead, he mocked her. Anybody will mock person when person lost a child, that person is a devil, is a demon. Demon. Talk less of say your own husband. Not be say you offend them. Not be say you do them bad. Because some people, if you do their bad, they will say you must pay. Now you know what you go find their trouble where they say they will show you. But this one, this is our own husband, the father of her son, mocking her when she lost her son. Came out to drag her that she did Bobby, she did this, she did that. Do you think if you have anything against me, Edochie, you think say for you go wait reach this time and not go talk? Hey, Ogini Kwanu, there is nothing. This man have nothing. If you have any evidence of me Edochie say do am bad, this man for don't bring her come aside. But he has nothing against the woman. Blah 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 every time going to interview. But you see this one is not just an ordinary interview. This is a plan work. Take your time to listen to this video from the beginning to the end so that you will understand every details. Now, this interview they do on yesterday. You automatically, the same man that claimed me Edochie to be a bad woman, bad wife, wicked woman, because even Juju Ekwensu coming out indirectly to drag me Edochie using advice of marriage. We know say now me Edochie, now Juju Ekwensu they indirectly they talk to, trying to paint her black. Yo is very much aware of it. He supported her. Yo support Juju Ekwensu to do that. But today, automatically, the same Yo come aside. And all he's saying, I cannot say bad of my ex-wife. She's a good woman. She's a nice woman. She haven't done me anything wrong. I wish her well. I wish her all the best. According to him. From wishing her bad, what we see with our koro eye, now Yo is wishing me Edochie best. That interview was done just yesterday for you. But today, things started change. Now, some group of people reach out to me Edochie. I don't want to call name. If you know, you know. Reach out to me Edochie. Say me Edochie. As you dey China, so come give Yo connection. You won't start to do China business. Everybody is not doing China business. Give your husband the connection. Connect with him. Put him through. Teach him the way you were teaching him before. Connect him once again to great men. They begin beg me Edochie. Somebody, through somebody that they reach me Edochie. And the people who reach out to me Edochie is no other but your family members. They started telling me Edochie, make me Edochie connect you, make you buy ticket, you will come meet them for China, make it for carry you through, put them for business, carry and take connect for that side. Now me Edochie say, as in what? As he what kini come. Now he won't put Yul Edochie through. Has he now become advisor or what? To be putting people through in their life. Now me Edochie say anything wey Yoyo they go through is none of her business. Both of them are no longer together. Edochie said, why would they want her to be the one to help Yoyo? You see China here, many Nollywood people dey when Yoyo know. Yoyo should connect to them. He and Yoyo not get any connection. Do you know what they told me, Edochie? They told me Edochie say me Edochie Supuanike. Ogini kwano. Supuanike. What is it? They tell me Edochie say you don't publicly come outside to apologize to me Edochie. Abi me Edochie not watch the interview of you. That is an apology. You cannot just come out and say, oh, me Edochie, I'm sorry. That is an indirectly telling you he's sorry. That is an apology for me. That is an apology from you. Abi you not wash him. He say he wish you well. He wish you well. He want all the best for you. That broadcast, now you don't understand that. That broadcast is for you. He went there because of you. He want to render his apology. Me Edochie Supuanike. Help him. He don't beg you. He don't let the whole world know say he's sorry for what he did. Now me Edochie say, so now because of that one make am go broadcast. They say not exactly, but at least in the broadcast, he made it clear that he wish you the best. A man does not need to kneel down for a woman to say sorry before the woman will know that he's sorry. Now me Edochie tell they say, she's not interested though. She's not interested. Whether you come out publicly, go say I'm sorry. She me Edochie, she not get hand. She not get hand. She's not interested in anything that have to do with you. She's not interested in any business that have to do with you. She dey live her life, they go je, make them live her. She not even beg or say you make you go do broadcast. They call her name. They call her name. She dey her business lane. When he see say you do broadcast, involve her into the broadcast, talking about her. She don't know when they did it. She don't have idea of what when they planned it. She just saw it when somebody told her that your ex-husband, he don't they drag you, they go broadcast. That was how he know that you is in broadcast. So me Edochie say I beg. Yeah, you they not get any connection. If you won't go China big go. China big. You go see fellow Nollywood actors and actresses with the food there. When it be say, them go give them the connection. They say now so they come begin the beg, especially grandpapa. They say make me Edochie Supuanike. Say you don't finally grant that public apology. Make me Edochie consider you. I tell you now, say broadcast, there is something under it. All those talk when you they talk say, I don't have anything against my wife. I don't have anything against my ex-wife. We are friends. I don't have anything against my ex-wife. I wish her the best. Now plan work, oh. Now plan work. Just yesterday, you granted that interview. Today, you don't define connection. Using his family members to tell me Edochie, say you don't apologize. Hey! So, una watch that video, she una watch am. Does that video look like apology? But he still wanted the world to believe that is right. There is something that me Edochie did that pushed him when he take come outside, take jam Juju Ekwensu. That was exactly what he was trying to say in that video. But now they don't try to shift the matter. Say you na apology. Now they tell him, make him go apologize. That means it was not only you that just woke up and went to do that interview. Because they said they were the one that told him to render a public apology. Make his life for better. Hey! I tell you, say, nothing where they'll plan for me Edochie back where go work. God must surely expose them. So that podcast, when I see that interview of you. It's not just something from you alone. It is something they planned. It is something they planned. That he should go and apologize publicly, and they will use that apology to get May Edochie back. But May Edochie was a very wise woman. Very, very wise. Hey! Wonder they say shall never end, oh my people. The reason we make una ato go dey talk say my wife, my ex-wife, oh, she's a good person. I will never talk down on my ex-wife. Na connection, no. You feel say because they don't talk that word now. May Edochie mind don't met. May Edochie just say, oh my love. Now waiting the family of you and you don't understand. They don't understand the meaning of May Edochie has moved on. No, it is very difficult for them. It is very difficult for them to understand. Say May Edochie say she don't move on. They are still there waiting for this woman. So the interview where you go, the whole family know about it. They know about it. They are the one not telling me Edochie is so panicking. Forgive and let go. Hey, one dash shall never end though. My lovely fans. So that interview wanna see was all a planned work because of May Edochie's China connection. I talk and say this China endorsement, many people go blind eye. They don't go see eye till look am. All the enemies of May Edochie, they will blind eye. They don't go see eye till see May Edochie endorsements. So now that endorsement wey May Edochie sign, now you don't bakere enter on our eyes. You people have to send your son to come out publicly and say May Edochie is a good woman. Then May Edochie will not fall into the trap. Then May Edochie will not fall into the trap when Juju Ekwe is for put. When you go they call her Ijele, she could say word don't end. One dash shall never end. They thought that May Edochie is that type of woman. When they will come outside, oh my ex-wife, and my ex-wife, I will never wish her bad. Oh God, you have already wished May Edochie bad many times, but only say the thing backfire you. Do you know how many times you've hurted this woman's feelings? Automatically now, you don't come and do friend with her. I felt talk and say this your friendship, this praise where you they praise May Edochie for their get a leg. Because the way you come say they talk the matter, the thing not straight. So it was not only you, it was the plan work to draw the attention of May Edochie. To make May Edochie say, una not can remember who May Edochie be again. May Edochie is that woman that when she move on, she has moved on. She has moved on. You think say now all this sweet word where you want to talk, she is a good woman, she have nothing against her, and I go turn her brain. My people, they say May Edochie should come and give them connection. May Edochie should come and give, they say May Edochie should come and give you your connection. May Edochie come carry you go China. Una dey here. They say you don't apologize so. For those of una wey see where you for apologize, I bet me gonna let me know. Because what I see you saying yesterday was Kakabo story. But the family of you say you have apologized to May Edochie. So they should give him a chance. The family of you say you have apologized to May Edochie. So May Edochie should accept the apology and give her and give him and put him and show him the way to China. May himself go blue come back. Hey! Wonder they say shall never end, my lovely fans. Una see and say the interview yesterday is not just an ordinary interview. It is a plan work that they want to use against May Edochie. But be that May Edochie is faster than all of them. She already know these people more than they know themselves. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.